Now our next example will require that we use several of the laws of exponents that we reviewed earlier. And we have the quantity 2xy divided by z to the negative 1, all of that raised to the third power, multiplied by 4x to the negative 1, y squared z, all of that raised to the negative 1. Now what we'll do first is to distribute the exponent 3 over the numerator and denominator of that first fraction. So we have 2 to the third, then x to the third, y to the third, divided by, and when we take z to the negative 2 to the third, you recall we multiply exponents, so that becomes z to the negative 6th power. And for the next factor, then we'll distribute the negative 1 exponent, so then we have 4 to the negative 1, and x to the negative 1 to the negative 1 becomes simply x to the first, multiplying the exponents. And y squared to the negative 1, multiplying exponents, becomes y to the negative 2. And then we have z then to the negative 1 power. Now we'll think about this second part as being over 1. And now what we'll do in each fraction is to move the appropriate factors so that all the exponents become positive. So in the first fraction, and we'll also simplify 2 to the third to become 8, so we have then 8x to the third, y to the third then, z to the 6th, moving the z to the negative 6 to the numerator, making it z to the positive 6. And in the second fraction, we will then have x left in the numerator. Then we have 4 in the denominator, and then y squared, and then z. And so now we'll next then multiply the two fractions. We'll think of the first as being over 1. So then we have 8. And we have x to the third times x, which becomes x to the fourth. And then we have y to the third, z to the 6th. Then divided by 4, y squared z. And so then simplifying a bit further, we can see that 8 divided by 4 will produce 2. There's no other x factor, so then we have x to the fourth. And then y to the third divided by y squared becomes y to the first in the numerator. And then z to the 6th divided by z to the first becomes z to the 5th in the numerator, and we're finished.